My name is Shelley Keiss. I've probably been your instructor at some point when we worked in a data analytics class, and I just want to show you a couple of things to kind of move us along a little bit more. I found some data from the Department of Agriculture which I thought was really pretty interesting. It's about the import of coffee. And seeing as how I've seen a lot of you drinking coffee in class, I thought this might be fun to look at. If you look, our data is U.S. imports of coffee, tea, and spices from 1999 through 2014. And if you look over here, you'll see that Brazil is actually leading in the import of coffee. Well, if I want to look at the sum of all coffee that Brazil has imported in the last several years, one of the techniques I could use is just an equal sum. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to click in cell T5 and I'm going to highlight that down. Actually, I'm going to go all the way down to T14. And then I'm going to come and say equals, and you'll notice that the equal sign shows up in cell T5, equals sum, open paren. I'm going to click on cell D5 because that's where I want the sum to begin. And then I'm going to do my shift control, hit my right arrow, and that's going to take me over to S5. So it's going to add from 1999 through 2014. Now when I hit enter, I find out that 12,647 metric tons of coffee have been imported from Brazil since 1999. But I want to know about everybody else, and you know, I'm in a bit of a hurry, so I'm just going to go Control D, and that's going to fill all the way down. So Control D is a shortcut that will fill all the way down. Control R will fill to the right. Let me just recap. So what we're going to do is we're first going to highlight the data, highlight the cells where we want to put the data. With it highlighted, don't hit the enter key, just go hit equals, put in your formula, sum, open paren, identify the data that you want to sum. In my case, this is going to be D5 to S5. Hit enter. There's my sum, and now the magic. Control, hold down your control key and tap the D as in delta. That will sum for each one of these cells going down from D5 to D14. So Control D, shortcut for putting a function all the way down a set of cells. Control R, all the way to the right. Thanks so much. Good to talk to you.